Well, hello and welcome to another video. This one's a little different to my usual productions, but still relates to flying, as it's how I capture some of the flying adventure video you often see here. I'm sure you have heard of this camera by now. We will be discussing my Insta360 1X video production workflow. This is not a review or how to use the camera or software tutorial. You will have to learn that yourself, and it will depend on your current photography and editing knowledge and skills. Due to the level of complexity you could go to while editing these interactive videos, I cannot go into all the small details. You should be able to work it out though, or ask questions in the comments section. Hi, I'm Stuart. Because you are a valued channel subscriber, I would like to take this moment to personally thank you and appreciate your huge support. You are the reason these videos are possible. I really hope you will enjoy this and future videos to come. Let's now do what you came here for and get this one started. First, we have to look at how we're going to mount the camera. Always make it suitable, safe and secure. You need to supply power if you're going to run the camera for a long period of time, especially if flying, because the camera needs to be left on at all times. If you turn it off, you may not be able to turn it back on. And you won't be able to control it remotely, which is my next point. You need to use an app or a remote control to start and stop the recording of the camera. And this is mostly due to the fact that the camera records approximately 1 gigabyte of data or video per minute. I use a 128 gigabyte card, and that will last me about 2 hours. So it's important that if I'm on a flight longer than 2 hours, I need to be able to stop and start the recording. Also, you don't want to be storing 4, 5, 6, 7 hours of video, which can equate to 1, 2, 3, 400 gigabytes of data. So use the app on your phone or tablet or a Bluetooth remote. Once you've got back from flying or recording your 360 video, you need to download the videos onto your computer. You can also edit on tablets or phones, but file sizes of these videos are quite large and there will be restrictions doing it that way. Once you've downloaded the videos, you can then import them into the Studio app from Insta360. So it's called Insta360 Studio on your computer or your phone or your tablet. In the app, you can cut and export the required parts for use in video editing or upload them to your online site for public viewing as interactive 360 videos. Or import for video editing. So, on your computer, you can edit these videos as you normally would, such as cut, add voiceover music, and titles, etc. Color grading and sharpening, etc. All that sort of thing too. Once you've finished your video production in your editing software, export it as a 4K resolution video file. It still needs further treatment though to make it work as a 360. Now 4K resolution, typically you'd export as 3840 by 2160 pixels. Once you've exported your video, you need to open your file up in a piece of software called Spatial Media Metadata Injector, and that's something that YouTube actually recommend. Once you've opened the file into Spatial Media Metadata Injector, it will insert some metadata to tell the video and any software playing the video that this is a 360 interactive video. This software is available for download free online. Once you've done that, you can upload the injected version of the video file to your audience to watch. However, uploading these files can sometimes take a while. They can be quite large. I'd like to leave you with a few tips now. Tip 1, leave the battery out when the camera is not in use, as it seems to go flat in the camera. Point 2, to prevent lens damage, always leave the camera cover on while mounting it or when not in use. Point 3, use external power to run the camera for long periods. Point 4, use an external remote or app on a device for remote operation. Point 5, ensure the mounting is secure, safe and suitable. Point 6, use an SD microcard that is specified as V30 and the capacity to store 1 GB per minute of your intended length of video recording time. That's it. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope to see you again soon. I hope you got something out of this one, and in future there will be more videos to come. Bye for now.
Traffic truck 6340 enters, lines up, rolls runway 12, traffic.